What's the meaning of buck-toothed? Buck-toothed. Buck-toothed.
Buck-toothed. Buck-toothed. Buck-toothed is an adjective used to describe someone or something that has prominent front teeth that stick out from their mouth. The term comes from the likeness of teeth to the antlers of a male deer, which are also known as bucks. When someone is referred to as buck-toothed, it typically means that their upper front teeth protrude significantly over their lower front teeth, giving them an overbite. This can affect the appearance of their smile and may cause difficulty in biting or chewing certain foods. Dental braces or other orthodontic treatments can be used to correct buck-toothedness.